Action! Ito mga members ng Paradise Sunday Club and we welcome them all to Cesar's Active Live Channel. Okay mga kahatog! Alam nyo ha? Pag tumangan. Masabi mo, Ray?
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Cesar,
Seryoso ka, lalabas yan.
although na medyo may edad na, pero napakalakas pa rin. Highest pointer!
That's all for tonight. Don't forget to support my channel. Ano ba channel ko?
Channel,
Ano ba channel ko? Nakalimutan ko. And like and share. Cesar's my Cesar. Nakalimutan ko.
Cesar's Lifestyle.
Then my active life. Don't forget to support. My active life. Okay.
Do not skip ads.
Do not skip ads.
Like and share.
Bonus life.
Like and share.
Okay, mga ka-action, shoutout ko lang si John Lim at saka ang aking team na JSIS Villagers, Quezon City for winning the first runner-up in the Philippine Guam Masters Invitational, and also to shoutout din kay Jess Diego